flowers are getting a little antsy. How many sprinkles a couple for? You'll see the queen around now. I mean, the lighting in here is not that great, so I can't really. I might miss her crawling in, but I'll take an extra look to see if I miss her.
How big is she in comparison to like the rest of these?
She looks like a roach, almost. Depending on her size, right now she just started ramping up her laying eggs for the summer, so. ¿Me presta el serrucho? ¿Dónde está mi cuchilla? They'll clean themselves off before they go inside the box. Just because they don't like having all that cheap work on me. Bueno, agárrate esta. Las ligas ponte hacia abajo para tener campo aquí para trabajar. Agárrate esta. Your brothers and your sisters and me. Song just came to my head. Where's Mike Laurie? What's his name from Dirty Job? Bring homeboy out here. South Texas. The real deep South Texas. It's a good queen. You see the brood pattern? She lays in each cell like. little fruit pattern. ¿No trae ligas, papá? Acá hay con ligas. Mira, mira. Ligas. Got so many bees crawling on my back. Check, they're all licking the sweat on my back, man. It's crazy, right? They're just there like this one's just there going to town licking my body.
Turn that way? Because they're the other way, the other way.
This one?
Yeah.
They're like, girl, look at my body. Do a little flex for the camera. ¿Ya está lista esa? Look me up, homeboy. See what's behind door number 2. Lots of bees. Lots and lots and lots of bees. See, that's a boy bee right there. There's not that many of them. They're bigger. They're called drones. That's a drone right there. They have no stinger. They won't sting you. They might ejaculate on you if you press on them, but they won't sting you. Their sole existence in the hive is to procreate. That's like when the weather turns, they're the first ones out. You'll find them dead in the front of the hive, or they'll get kicked out. They won't let them back in. The bees know there's a cold front coming in. The first, like, push down here at least. It works elsewhere like that too, but that's how. I know the weather's gonna change. ¿Se cuenta de para? Métete esa. I'm doing this, I'm looking for the queen. escalera. Ya va a ser el último, creo yo. Aunque bastante cortado en el otro lado. For those of us non-Spanish speaking friends of ours, I just said that I might have to cut on this side too. It might be the last room I use, but I always check one out and one in just to make sure. I always said the stings in the septum are the ones that hurt the most, but I'm starting to think the ones underneath the armpits hurt the most. Right there. Like that one. Oh. Maybe because my body's growing because I've been lifting heavy.
Isn't that like the most sensitive place to get a tattoo?
Yeah. I guess that's why, huh?
Might be connected.
Might be connected. Some guy did a research on that. One of the most. Man, I was trying to get in my ear. What was the most painful place to get stung at? He stung himself in the body, I guess. In all the right places. This is drawing. Tápame bien la caja, por favor. Bueno, para que la... Así está bien. De ese lado, no. Ay, te había metido el pedazo ese de penca adentro. Mete esos dos, please. It looks like they can't crawl up there, so hopefully they can't. And I found the queen, maybe? Is that her? Is that her? Is that her? Or is that just a big bee? Damn. I just saw her. I'll have to get her out. I saw her walking around with her tiara and her entourage. Let me let them gather up a little bit. Take me a little break, and we'll be right back.